How to join Pillar Chase 2 on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Discord on your device. Log into your account, then click on plus button located at the left side of your screen. Then, in here, click on Join a Server at the bottom. Now, in invite link, simply type in Pillar Chase 2. After that, press on Join Server at the bottom right, and you will be joined in that server. As you can see, I have been joined on this server. You can simply scroll through channels as well. And this is how to join Pillar Chase 2 on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.